Good morning, dear children. I am Tarkeshwar Pandey. I hope you all are fine. Today we will know about a very special topic in our chapter A Day with Nandu. But before starting this topic, I want to know some simple answers from your side. Number 1. Have you seen a parrot in a cage? Number 2. Have you seen oxen in a bullock cart? Number 3. Have you seen a dog tied with a belt or rope? Number 4. Have you seen different animals in circus? If your answer is yes of these questions, then think, what do these animals think about themselves? Are they feel happy or sad? What do you think about them? I think they feel very sad because they cannot do anything when they want. They have to do everything as per permission of their master. So they feel slave of their master and they do as per directions of their master. We see different works are done by different animals, but they do not do these works their own. They do these all works by force of their master. They do these works, they entertain us, they carry heavy loads, they run very fast, they save our house, they live with us, they talk as we say, they dance as their masters say, they do all things, but they have also feelings and they also share their feelings with their friends. Now know some feelings of animals in their own voice. Number 1. Snake says, "The basket is the only home I have. I have forgotten what it is like in the open jungle and fresh air. For me, it is only the basket and the snake charmer." It means snake is not free. It is very sad for us. Snake charmers trap the snakes and put them into basket, then snakes forget everything of their freedom. Number 2. Horse. Horse says, "You have only seen how fast I run. Have you seen my shoes? Do you know how much pain I get when they fix the horse shoes to my hooves?" Here first know about horse shoes. A U-shaped piece of metal that is fixed to the bottom of a horse's hoof is called horseshoe. Horseshoes are designed to protect horses' hoofs the same way shoes protect our feet. But horseshoes are very painful for horses. Number 3. Now know about cats. Cat says, "Meow, meow, meow. I can just roam around everywhere. Children love me a lot. They pat me and also give me milk." Here cat is also saying about her feelings that she can just roam around everywhere. But when we will pet her, it's cannot possible to roam her everywhere. Number 4. Pigeon. Pigeon says, "Guttergoo, guttergoo." Do you know? People especially call out to me to feed me with grain. Here pigeon feels happy because we provide him grain, but when we will put him in a cage, it will be bad. Everyone wants to live free. Number 5. Monkeys. Monkeys say, They make us dance and dance and dance, even if we don't want to or we are in pain. That too, with an empty stomach. What do you feel about monkey? It is heinous crime of human beings. We should not do this type of activity. Animals have also heart. They also feel bad. They also feel pain. They have also difficulties. We should mercy on him. Jugglers catch the monkeys and make them dance. It is not good for monkeys or other animals. Now know about bear. Number 6. Bear says, "You see me in circus, dancing and jumping through rings of fire. You clap and enjoy. Do you think that I also enjoy all this? If I do not do this, I will get no food, only get a beating." Before know about beer, think one thing. If you have a headache or stomach ache, then would you like to study attentively? If I want to teach you forcefully, then what do you think? I think you will say about your problems and I will relieve you from study because I understand your feelings. But what happens with helpless animals? No one can understand their feelings, their problems, their difficulties. They have to do work even they face difficulties. Here we also say about such things. If bear does not do such things as circus man says, then he does not get food on that day. Bear has to do dance or jump even he does not want to do. Now at last, I want to say you all, don't oppress any creatures. Try to save them because they are helpful for us. If we give them affection, they also return us affection. That's all for today. We will meet soon in the next video. Goodbye. If you are first time viewer of this channel, then subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for more updates about this channel.